Hey everybody, this is Joe, the Texas Rideshare Guy. I'm coming to you from Dallas, Texas, and I heard some interesting news today. I was giving a passenger a ride, and we got into some really good conversation, and she just happened to mention to me that she saw in the news that Uber was moving to Dallas. And I thought to myself, there's no way that Uber is leaving San Francisco and moving to Dallas. And I found this interesting news article. What they are doing is establishing a hub here, and they're going to create 3,000 new jobs within the Dallas hub. Let's read this. So the article is from the Associated Press. It says Dallas, AP, Uber stock right now is up 0.32%, will receive $2,400 million incentive package, $124 million incentive package from Texas officials, and open a new administrative hub in Dallas, bringing with it about 3,000 jobs, Governor Greg Abbott announced Tuesday. The offices that will open in the historic Deep Ellum section of Dallas will house various corporate functions, officials said. Abbott said in a statement that the state's business-friendly environment make Texas the perfect home for innovative companies like Uber. Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi, Dara K, said in the same statement that Dallas was the first city in Texas where the Uber ride-sharing app became available in 2012. He says, Texas has been a hub of innovation for our platform. The jobs created by the regional hub will result in a $400 million annual payroll, officials said. Dallas County Judge Clay Jenkins, the county's top administrator, said the move will, quote, will provide a huge boost to our urban core with a positive wave that will spread across our entire region, our county and region, end quote. Uber, which has its headquarters in San Francisco, offers ride-hailing services along with food delivery and other forms of transportation. It is yet to turn a profit and lost $1 billion with a B in the first quarter of 2019. Executives have said it could take years to make money. The company announced in July that it has launched Comfort rides in dozens of cities. Riders are guaranteed 36 inches of legroom in, quote, newer, end quote, cars, meaning those that are under 5 years old, and they can request a preferred air temperature. Riders can also use the app to tell drivers they don't want to chat, avoiding what some consider an awkward exchange. Now, I have something to say about that. I can drive Comfort, and I happen to think that the people that are ordering Comfort are a little bit nicer clientele than your typical UberX ride. And I've heard a lot of negative comments on Facebook and YouTube. And though the pay isn't that much more than an UberX, and I believe it's also hurting the Uber Select market, which I am able to drive, it still offers me more money, and those clients tend to tip better. So for me, it's a win-win situation. I run my Uber Lyft private business operation like it is a business, like it's a corporation. In fact, I just got my DBA the other day and opened a business account, and I'm taking this as far as I possibly can. I'm excited that Uber is coming to Dallas and bringing 3,000 jobs. It's going to be good for our economy here. $400 million in salaries is just absolutely incredible. That's $400 million that's going to go into the local economy here in Dallas and Fort Worth. And Dallas is booming. Dallas is growing so fast. It is one of the fastest growing cities in the country. I heard a statistic that we have approximately 300 people a day moving here. And I live in the far north area of Dallas, in the suburbs, in a city called Fairview. It's at the Interstate 75, Sam Rayburn, Highway 121 tollway interchange, and this area up here is exploding. We just got Toyota's national headquarters moved here 2 years ago. We have Nebraska Furniture. We have Shields Sporting Goods opening up soon in the Colony. Those are both in the Colony. We have a lot of restaurants and live music venues up here up north. The Dallas Cowboys have their headquarters in Frisco, where the practice facility is right now. The area high schools are able to play their football games in the practice facility in there. I heard that the practice facility costs something like $1.2 billion. So Dallas is a hustle and bustle part of the Metroplex with Fort Worth, nestled right up here in North Texas. And it's hotter than heck right now. It's like 102 degrees outside, has been for like the last 2 weeks. But we have the fall, it's very pleasant. Winter is, very mild here. The spring is wonderful. Late July, early August, we get that hot weather for a while. But we're growing, and I'm excited about this. And I'd like to know what your thoughts are down below, your comments. And just remember, just keep Ubering, keep Lyft, work on your own business, work on your side hustles, and you will make money. I'm living proof of it. And until then, peace out.